Want to know the easiest way to start making passive income without a big investment? Stick around. Are you ready to unlock the secrets of earning money while you sleep? In today's video, we're diving into the world of passive income, specifically focusing on affiliate marketing strategies that are perfect for complete beginners. If you want to see more videos like this, please support the channel by subscribing, sharing, and liking the video. Whether you're looking to supplement your income or create a sustainable revenue stream, these 8 ideas will guide you through the online landscape of affiliate marketing. We'll explore simple yet effective methods that require minimal upfront investment and can be managed from the comfort of your home. So, if you're eager to discover how to turn your online presence into a money-making machine, stay tuned as we unveil the top 8 passive income ideas that anyone can start today. Number 8, DIY craft kits. DIY craft kits are a fantastic entry point for affiliate marketing on Pinterest, appealing to the creative crowd. These kits often come with everything needed to complete a project, making them perfect for beginners. They rank at number 8 due to their niche appeal. While they attract a dedicated audience, they don't have the broad market reach of higher ranked items. The vibrant visuals of completed projects can drive engagement, but they may not generate as much traffic as more universally appealing products. Compared to higher ranked items like digital courses, which offer extensive value and higher commissions, DIY craft kits serve a specific audience, making them a solid yet less lucrative choice for affiliate marketers. Number 7, online courses with affiliate promotions. Online courses with affiliate promotions offer a wealth of knowledge across various subjects, making them a popular choice for affiliate marketers. They rank at number 7 due to their potential for high commissions and the growing demand for online education. These courses often come with engaging content, expert instructors, and community support, attracting learners eager to enhance their skills. However, while they can generate significant income, they require more effort in terms of marketing and audience targeting compared to higher ranked items like subscription boxes, which have a more straightforward appeal and recurring revenue potential. Online courses are valuable assets, but their success hinges on effective promotion and niche selection, placing them slightly lower in the rankings. Number 6, affiliate marketing through podcasts. Affiliate marketing through podcasts has emerged as a dynamic platform for reaching engaged audiences, ranking at number 6. Podcasts allow hosts to build a loyal listener base, creating an intimate connection that can lead to higher conversion rates for affiliate products. The unique storytelling format and conversational style make promotions feel organic and relatable. However, while podcasts can generate substantial income, they require consistent content creation and audience growth strategies, which can be time-consuming. In contrast to higher-ranked items like social media influencer partnerships, which can yield quicker results with less effort, podcasts demand a longer-term commitment to see significant returns. Nonetheless, their potential for deep engagement makes them a compelling choice for affiliate marketers. Number 5, creating an affiliate niche website. Creating an affiliate niche website is a powerful strategy that ranks at number 5 due to its potential for targeted traffic and long-term income. By focusing on a specific niche, marketers can attract a dedicated audience interested in particular products or services, enhancing conversion rates. These websites allow for in-depth content creation, SEO optimization, and the ability to build authority in a chosen field. However, while they offer substantial earning potential, they require significant upfront effort in terms of content and website management. Compared to higher ranked strategies like email marketing, which can niche websites demand patience and persistence, we can ultimately provide a steady stream of passive income. Number 4, email marketing with affiliate links. Email marketing with affiliate links ranks at number 4 due to its ability to deliver targeted content directly to an engaged audience. This strategy allows marketers to build relationships with subscribers, providing valuable information while seamlessly integrating affiliate promotions. The high ROI of email marketing is driven by its personalized approach, enabling tailored messages that resonate with recipients. However, while it can generate impressive results, it requires a well-maintained email list and consistent engagement strategies. Compared to higher-ranked methods like social media advertising, which can reach broader audiences quickly, email marketing demands more time to cultivate relationships, but ultimately fosters loyalty and trust, making it a powerful tool for long-term affiliate success. Number 3, social media influencing. Social media influencing ranks at number 3 due to its explosive growth and ability to reach vast audiences quickly. Influencers leverage platforms like Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube to create authentic connections with their followers, making affiliate promotions feel organic and relatable. The visual nature of social media allows for eye-catching content that can drive immediate engagement and conversions. However, While it offers rapid results, success hinges on maintaining a consistent online presence and engaging with followers. Compared to the top-ranked strategy of content marketing, which builds authority over time, social media influencing can yield quicker returns but may require ongoing effort to sustain audience interest and trust, making it a dynamic yet demanding avenue for affiliate marketers. Number 2, YouTube affiliate marketing. YouTube affiliate marketing ranks at number 2 due to its powerful visual storytelling capabilities and extensive reach. With over 2 billion users, YouTube provides a platform for creators to showcase products through engaging video content, tutorials, and reviews, making affiliate promotions feel authentic and trustworthy. The ability to demonstrate products in action captivates viewers, often leading to higher conversion rates. However, while YouTube can generate significant income, it requires consistent content creation and audience engagement to build a loyal subscriber base. Compared to the top-ranked strategy of blogging, which offers in-depth written content, YouTube's dynamic format allows for immediate visual impact and connection, making it a compelling choice for affiliate marketers looking to maximize their influence. Number 1. Affiliate blogging ranks at number 1 due to its unparalleled ability to create in-depth, evergreen content that drives consistent traffic over time. By focusing on niche topics, bloggers can establish authority and trust, leading to higher conversion rates for affiliate products. The written format allows for detailed explanations, personal experiences, and SEO optimization, making it easier to attract organic search traffic. Unlike platforms like social media, which require constant updates and engagement, a well-crafted blog post can continue to generate income long after it's published. This long-term potential, combined with the flexibility to explore various topics and products, positions affiliate blogging as the most effective and sustainable strategy for generating passive income in the affiliate marketing landscape. In this video, we explored the top 8 passive income ideas perfect for complete beginners, all rooted in affiliate marketing. We rank them from DIY craft kits at number 8 to the highly effective affiliate blogging at number 1. Each method offers unique advantages, from the engaging nature of social media influencing to the long-term potential of niche websites. We encourage you to dive deeper into these strategies and find the one that resonates with you. Remember, the journey to financial freedom starts with taking that first step. So, whether you're creating content, building a community, or sharing your passions, now is the time to act. Start your affiliate marketing journey today and watch your efforts blossom into a sustainable income.